Running into audio problems with your Logitech G Pro X gaming headset can quickly ruin gaming sessions, especially when sound suddenly disappears, becomes distorted, or refuses to play correctly. Many users notice low volume, uneven sound, or the headset connecting without any audio at all. Sometimes game sound works, but voice chat does not, while other times everything sounds unusually quiet or unclear. In many situations, a Logitech G Pro X gaming headset audio issue can happen because of loose connections, sound output settings, software communication problems, or temporary driver interruptions. Before reconnecting cables repeatedly or changing random audio settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore proper sound on the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. 1. Disconnect and reconnect the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset securely and confirm all cables fit properly. 2. Check audio output settings and make sure the Logitech G Pro X is selected as the active sound device. 3. Restart the computer or console and reconnect the headset after startup finishes completely. 4. Open headset software or sound settings and confirm audio levels remain balanced and not muted. 5. Test music, game audio or voice chat and confirm whether the Logitech G Pro X sound works properly.